Snow is still falling here in Washington County. We've been out here since 4 o'clock this morning, keeping an eye on these weather conditions for you. And I will say it has lightened up just a bit this evening. Now I want to get out of the way and show you what these roads are looking like. I know that's a major question for so many people. So this is a look at 70. You can see that the plow trucks have gone through here. Now actually, this is the best it's looked all day, which is kind of shocking to say since you still can only see a little bit of the roadway. Other areas pretty untouched this evening. I know what we've been seeing the plow trucks come through this area, but the snow has been coming down so quickly. It's really hard for those crews to just keep up with it, but we know they're out there working. We're so grateful for them and all the hard work that they're doing. Now, I've been speaking with officials here in Washington County. They have a few main messages. One of those being that if you feel like you're about to have an emergency or you are experiencing an emergency, don't delay on calling 911 and for help, because with the roads like this, you could experience a little bit of a delay getting help. First responders are there, they're ready to go, but still these roadways are a little bit difficult, treacherous to say the least. I know we were out on them earlier today and it was getting a little dicey there. So again, just make sure that you're being careful and safe out on those roadways. One thing that Washington County is doing is they have an emergency alert system set up. You can go over onto Washington County's website, sign up for that. You can get location-specific events that are happening in your area. Covering Washington County in Washington, Ava Rash, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.